Hello everyone, I'm coming to you. Oh my god. Hi everyone, my name is Lauren and I'm coming to you live from my kitchen for guess what? Yes, we got another cooking video. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, I'm gonna, do something with this before the video starts. So yeah, so go ahead, click that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell and go ahead and send this to your friends because who doesn't want to learn how to make birria tacos? Exactly. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. Alright guys, so this is how I make my birria tacos. Disclaimer, I'm not a professional nor am I Mexican, so is this recipe 100% accurate? No, this is not the traditional way that you make birria tacos. That's why I'm referring to them as birria tacos, just because they are a little bit different. So here I'm just cutting up peppers, onions, and garlic. I was talking, so that's why you see my hands moving and stuff. But yeah, so I just cut that up. You don't need big like small chunks. You can dice them up in like bigger chunks because later on we're gonna be blending them up, so you don't really need to like dice them up really small or anything like that. So yeah, I just do that. Half an onion, about a half of what is it called, pepper, and then some cloves of garlic. I like a lot of garlic, but yeah. So then I just put it in a pot with some oil. I just put some olive oil. You could put vegetable oil, it doesn't matter. And I just saute it around. Once they get like a good sweating, that's just what I call it, I don't know. I like to add some tomato sauce or spaghetti sauce. That's what I'm adding here. It's like 1/4 cup, or I just ask my ancestors to tell me when to stop. And then I add these spices and then I just mix it all around. And then I go ahead and add about 3 cups of water. Oh, and I add that sazon packet as well. And later on, you're also gonna see me add some of this Mexican seasoning that I actually got from Mexico. Oh, and this is chicken bouillon. That's the Mexican seasoning that I was talking about. So then I season my chicken with all those same seasonings, and then I add it to my pot, and then I cover it.
Later.
So I pretty much let that sit in the pot for about 45 minutes to an hour. I just check it, and then once I feel like the chicken is tender enough to rip apart, I start ripping it apart, and that's what you see me doing here. I'd also like to say that typically in traditional birria tacos, it's made with beef chunks, but I don't know. I've been feeling the chicken. The chicken is really good. I thought I recorded myself taking the onions and peppers out of the pot and blending them up, but I didn't. So pretty much when you do that, you're gonna want to take all the peppers and onions and the garlic and put them in the blender with some water, chicken bouillon, and a little bit of the broth of the sauce as well. And then you just blend that up and add it back to your pot. So once you finish, stringing your chicken and you separate the juice from the chicken, you're gonna want to build your taco. So I know you're supposed to use corn tortillas, but I use flour tortillas just because I like them better. And you dip them in the sauce, and then you put them one side on the skillet. And then I usually flip it over, but right here, this was my first one, so I forgot. So you flip it over, then you add your mozzarella cheese and your chicken. You can also add onions and cilantro, but I don't got all of that. So this is what I got. I'm doing the best that I can with what I got. So this is what I got. So then you just repeat that. So boom, juice on tortilla. Then you slap it onto the skillet. Then you flip it over. And oh, I'm still forgetting to flip it over. Wow. What is happening with me? Oh, wait, maybe not. Oh, there we go. Okay, flip it over. Boom. Then you add your cheese. Then you add your chicken. Then you close it. Then you flip it. And then you on to the next one. So yeah, that's what we're doing.
From 8 until late, I think about you. You're on my nights, I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah, this whole thing got way too deep, and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stay. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. What you heard, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. What you heard, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to. On my mind, I passed my bedtime, no rest at the kingdom. Alone in my place, my heart is away. All that I can think of is we should get married. We should get married. Let's stop holding back on this and let's get carried away. Stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything.
We have my beautiful woman here.
Not hungry.
Who's gonna test it out. I don't know how good this is. And she's liked them before. She likes mine. 1 to 10.
8.5.
Okay. Yeah, it's just this one, I feel like it's just not my best. And she said 8.5, so. You know. Wait! You guys tell them?
Subscribe.
No, the whole thing.
Thank you guys for watching.
No, like more enthusiasm.
Thank you guys for watching her channel. Make sure you subscribe, like, make a comment, and turn on your notification bells.
And also go ahead and watch the next video. Bye!